But Mr. Worst wants to end that function. He wants to attack Wall Street. He wants to hurt Wall Street. In other words, stop this dichotomy in the economy where the rich get richer and richer, like me, and the middle class and down are scraping to buy food. As a matter of fact, I just heard a statistic today that buy now, pay later loans, there's now like, I think, the highest percentage, up 13%. Those default rates are up 13 percentage points year over year. Buy now, pay later loan. And that particular type of credit is surging. And the percentage of defaults is now 49%. People are taking these loans out to buy groceries. This is the middle class and down. Buy now, pay later to buy food at the grocery store and defaulting on those loans, delinquent on those loans. Why? Well, people like me and people who are in Wall Street, at times have never been better. And that's the central bank of the United States' problem, because they facilitate the largesse and the profligacy of government. Spending money like drunken monkeys, running up huge debt and deficits. We're almost $40 trillion national debt now, Anthony. That can't be supported by the free market. So the central bank has to buy all